Good morning, class. I'm going to show you today's math lesson. I'm going to do the first four examples. We don't have to worry about these over here. I'm going to show you how to do questions 1 through 4, and then that way you can be doing the rest. So we're going to be working on equations. So starting off with number 1, we have to solve for n, which is n plus 500 equals 2000. So I'm just going to draw a simple strip diagram for this one. Since 2000 is my total, I'm going to put 2000 in the total box. I'm going to draw two pieces. One piece is going to represent the letter n, the variable that I don't know, and the other piece is going to be 500, the piece that I do know. So now obviously I already know my total, so I can't add, so I'm going to be doing the opposite of addition, which would be subtraction for me to find the letter n. So there it is. Gotta borrow, regroup. So there it is. So for number 1, n equals 1500. Another simple little thing that I remember when I was taught, and I didn't learn this until sometime in middle school, was whatever this is, once you cross it over to the other side of the equal sign, you do the opposite. So, and they would call this canceling out. So I get rid of it, so you're left with n by itself, so then you just subtract right here, and then you'll still get 1500. Just another little way that I remember when they first showed this to me. So either way is fine. So on to number 2. So number 2, we got to solve for x. So we have x minus 2 equals 18. So again, I'm going to do that little trick that I showed you guys earlier, where I'm just going to draw a little bar over the equal sign. Since it's subtraction, I'm going to do the opposite, which is going to be addition. So I'm going to get rid of this because they cancel each other out. And then I'm left with x. So 18 plus 2, that'll give me 20. So x equals 20. Let me write a little bit bigger over here. There you go. Right, so it's pretty simple. It's just basically doing the opposite or the inverse operation that they give you here. If they give you addition, you do subtraction. If they give you subtraction, you do addition. Now over here for number 3, we have 2000 times y equals 14,000. So then from here, I'm going to draw a little bar over the equal sign. And since this one is going to be multiplication, I'm going to do the opposite, which is going to be division. So I'm going to divide over here, 2000. They cancel each other out, so I'm just left on this side. 14,000 divided by 2,000. Alright, so here I'm not going to be using these big numbers. I'm going to cancel out the zeros and I'm going to partner them up and get rid of them. So if there's a 0 in the ones place for the divisor, in the dividend there's also a 0 in the ones place, they cancel each other out, they're gone. My number got smaller. Over here, there's a 0 in the tens place, 0 in the tens place too, they're gone. My number got smaller. Right now I have 140 divided by 20. Over here, cross out the 0. In the hundreds place, other 0 here. And look, I'm just left with a basic fact. 14 divided by 2. And then that's going to give me 7. So right here, y equals 7 for number 3. So that was it for question 3. For number 4, I need you to watch the second video so that way you can be seeing how it's done. There's going to be a second video that says division. So on this one, I want you to pay attention closely because if you see right here, see how the letter is behind, is second in the equation? In the video that you're going to watch, they're going to show you 2 ways how to solve for the letter. So in this case, you see how the letter second, I'm going to rewrite a division problem a little bit different and look at the difference. Now you see how the letter's in the front? So there's 2 different ways how to do this, and that's what the second video is going to show you, how to solve for the missing variable. After you're done watching the 2 videos, you're going to work on questions on the first page, 7 through 17, and then on your second page, here, you're going to work on questions 1 through 3. You're going to need the chart to help you, and you're answering the missing variables. So this would be the 2012 Olympic medal winners here. So be sure to use this chart to help you answer the questions here. Also be sure to draw pictures of your math problem. Don't just try to use numbers. Try to visualize, try to draw strip diagrams, try to find missing boxes. That's going to be helping you to answer questions 1 through 3. If it's easier for you to show your work on a notebook paper, just take a picture of it. Be sure I can see your work on the paper and you can send it to me. That'll work also. Or on Seesaw, if you're going to type in your answer, you can type in your answer here. Just let me know how you're going to go about it doing this. So that's going to be your math questions for today. This is the second page, and then this would be the first page. Again, on the first page, just do 7 through 17. All right, and I hope this helped. Good luck, guys.